video. It's been long because I haven't uploaded anything that much. Because the Skybase video was made like, I don't know how much ago, but you know. Okay, so here we are going to be making a tutorial of how to make a punch animation. So yeah, you can make like a pose or something, but I'm gonna just do this. So basically, I just hold shift, then click here, and yeah, then press plus. So for the punch animation, you're going to have to do you are going to have to press 7, not F7. And then you can choose whatever you want here, but I recommend doing from quad to quint. So basically, I recommend doing quad, cubic, quart, and quint. So let's just do this. So basically, this is going to be the thing. So like we do the punching thing, like pose. And yeah, you just animate the body parts. So yeah, and then we will make this hand go wee, and then hit this man's head, and then yeah, he won't die. He will just get knocked out for a few seconds or more. Who knows? Who knows about people's pains? Oh wow, I just realised that the head doesn't quite move that much. Well, that is satisfying. Okay, now what you want to do is do in over here. Oh wait, no, just do this. Oh wait, what? No, what am I doing? You have to do in over here, and then you just create the. So this is going to be the half progress of the punch animation thing, and okay, so then we do this. Okay, hang on. Let me locate the footprint. Okay, footprint over here. So this is going to be a very hard punch that would definitely knock him out. Okay, come on, a little more closer. Okay. Now we do this. By the way, if you hear my keyboard clicking, that is my new keyboard. I got like definitely over a week ago, but who cares? And then you just animate this, and then you select the whole thing here. 7, do quint, and then out, because you know, in then out. So basically over over here we have the half progress thing, and over here this is the half, and this is here the half. So yeah, let's just select out, because basically, you know what, you all know what I mean. And then you just do this. Then I just locate this footprint so then he can. Okay. Okay, now, so then we have this. Oh no, I accidentally selected everything. Okay. Then over here, we just do this. This is the preview. And then we just go over here, right at the center of this square thing. You can just call it a diamond. Okay, so then you just select everything by holding shift, and so basically you just click here, hold shift, go like here, plus, and then yeah, you can just do whatever thing you want. If you want it to go like, if you want him to literally go, so basically, if you want an extremely powerful punch, then you can just select circ, literally move the torso, literally to any okay, well, I don't know what just happened. So then you just do it here, and then he will just go like this. Yeah, that's an extremely powerful punch, but yeah, that would be too much pressure or something. So yeah, let's just go with this again. Come back here, boy. Okay. What part of the body did he hit again? Over somewhere around the neck. So yeah, I'm gonna just do this. Oh, that would definitely hurt. Okay, so then here. Okay then. Okay. I don't know why, but I think this might work. So, I'm just going to test something real quick. So there we go, we just slam it onto the ground. Sadly, he gets wrecked for absolutely no reason. That's just sad. Okay. Okay, I'll just select cubic for this. Okay. Okay, this is going to be very weird. So this is just of this is just the basics. We can do a lot more like this. So I might make an advanced tutorial about this too. Like so basically this is for beginners only. And yeah, if you are experienced with, you know, this moon animator thing, then you can go advanced and click on the next video that I will upload, and you know. Okay, so let me just test this. Oh wait, I forgot. I need to make this person. It's supposed to be out. Okay. Okay, that's a bit too fast. Oh whoa! Okay. That actually works pretty well. Okay, so I'm gonna make a video about how to make the thing, like, you know, work a bit more better, and then I'm going to make a block, like a fighting animation thing, and then the block animation tutorial. So yeah, the next 3 videos or 2, it's just going to be tutorials. So yeah, thank you for watching. So yeah, please like if this tutorial was helpful. So yeah, and if you have any concerns or anything, then yeah, you can add me. Well, actually, I don't know how you can contact me, but you know, you can just comment down below, I guess. And yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. And if this helped a lot, you can like, once again, I don't know why I said that. And yeah. See you!